Hello everyone, today I will show you how to save a reel on Instagram. And here's how it's done. Open the Instagram app and tap the video icon at the bottom to access Reels. Find the reel you want to save. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the reel. Then tap Save. The reel is now saved to your account. To view your saved reels, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Save. You will find all your saved content, including Reels, in the old post folder or any custom folder you created. Note, saved Reels stay within the Instagram app and can't be downloaded directly to your phone. If you want to download a Reel, use Instagram's download option if available, or a third-party app. Some Reels may not be downloadable due to privacy settings. And that is everything to know about how to save a Reel on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.